Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove PayPal Express checkout from your Shopify store using a web browser. This can be useful if you want to simplify your checkout process or switch to a different payments provider. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard at shopify.com. Just enter your credential and access your Shopify store's main dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down and click on Settings. It's right next to the gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. This is where you'll find all the payment methods currently enabled on your store, including PayPal. Now, if you already activated a PayPal account, to remove PayPal Express checkout, follow these steps. In the Payment section, look for PayPal under the Payments Providers section. Next to PayPal Express checkout, click on Manage. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Deactivate PayPal Express checkout button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Click Deactivate again to remove PayPal Express checkout from your store. Once deactivated, PayPal Express checkout will no longer be available as a payment option during checkout. To verify this, you can try making a test order to check if PayPal has been successfully removed from your store's checkout page. And after removing PayPal, don't forget to check if you have any other payment methods enabled, such as credit card payments or third-party providers. You can manage and add new payment methods by going back to Payments section and selecting your preferred provider. Just add payment method by clicking on this method. And that's it. You've successfully removed PayPal Express checkout from your Shopify store. If you decide to add this back again in the future, you can always reactivate it by following the same steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.